welcome back to another banker video. Today it is Wednesday, a week before I go to Miami, and currently y'all, I just came back from the Apple store and I just got a new iPhone Air. So the iPhone Air is pretty cool, but the problem is it don't have 0.5 on here, and I need 0.5 in order to make videos and to vlog. So I think it's cool, but I'm gonna test it out and see how I like it between now and Miami. And then once I come back from Miami, if I just can't take it no more, then I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade to the 17 Pro Max and just let them mail it to me or whatever and just call it a day, because this phone is cool, but I need 0.5 in order to make content and to make videos. But I'm gonna give it a chance for the next 14 days, see how I like it, see if I can get accustomed to it, and if I can't, I'll just send it back because I got 14 days. So currently about to go to the trail, and then I'm going to come back home, kind of relax because I got a lot of work to do tomorrow. The chart was kind of consolidating today, so nothing too crazy. We got a small trade today, very small. Made $1,800 on the day. I should put this off for y'all. Okay, let's do this real quick. So I made $1,700 on a day. It consolidated a lot, and it's still consolidating a lot. So we're just going to hop in this real quick. Is that right? Hop in this real quick. And then I ain't got my mouse on me, so bear with me. And then trading view. So as you can see, we was consolidating. I was looking for it to hit this high point, which it ended up coming up here after a while, but it's like 6 o'clock and that's just now hitting. So it's consolidating still. So we're gonna see what happens. So on the 4 hour, I'm looking at it to, I don't know what I'm looking at for it to do. So that was the correction phase. So we're looking for a continuation phase. So we're gonna see what happens if it just pushed through or not. So nothing too crazy, just kind of keeping my eye out on the markets. Go back to the 5 minute. Like I said, we just consolidating in here. So my trade ended up playing out. I ended up getting out like right here because I thought it was about to just smack, but it just kept consolidating. Then it finally hit up here. But I took this little buy for a small impulse correction continuation. That made me across my top step. That was about $290 across 5 accounts. So that was about 1,600, 1,800. No, it's less than that. It's less than that. I can't do the math. Then I made another 400 on my live account over on Liquid. So $1,800 day overall. But I'm about to get ready to close this, and then I'm about to head out and do my thing. And all right, everybody. So currently just made it back home from the T-Mobile store to redo my phone because, like I told y'all, that iPhone Air is no good. Can't do it, won't do it. If you're ever thinking about doing it, they don't have an ultra wide camera, so you can't do 0.5. And when you're on FaceTime, it's going to be hot around the camera area. So I was like, no, I'm cool on that. So I had to pay a little bit of money, but you know, God be working the way he be working, because nobody in Dallas actually has iPhone Maxes right now because I guess they're in high demand. So I had to come home, get my social security number because, or whatever the case was. But soon as I came home to get my social security number and I went back, I seen a UPS truck and I seen little boxes. So I was like, oh, it gotta be phones in there. So I said, let me double check and make sure that they don't have any iPhone Maxes in those boxes before I make the purchase of the iPhone Pro, the regular one. So lo and behold, they had two. I got one of the two. It's orange. And yeah, so got the orange one or whatever. And while I was there, I made a quick little video. I was like, man, I gotta do a restocking fee. This restocking fee is like $70. Here you go, right here you go. The orange one. So I had to do a restocking fee. It was like $70. So I was in the markets. I was like, man, let me see if I can trade $70 real quick. Got in the markets, seen a sale opportunity. Took the sale, made $115 so I could pay for my restocking fee. So that's like the powers of trading, bro. Sometimes you can just do cool stuff like that. So that was kind of cool. But I'm so behind because it's actually 4 o'clock. I got to the place at 10:30. They opened up at 10. I just got home. at 4 o'clock at night. Remind you, I came straight home, and the place is only 7 minutes away. I have been there since 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. I got out around like 3:15. Then I stopped. I stopped at Walmart to get some tape. But yeah, like I've been there like 5 hours. You would have thought of buying a car. So yeah, man, I'm actually exhausted. I'm tired. Y'all might be able to tell the difference as the beginning of this video. It's super tight. Here is like ultra wide, of course. But nonetheless, today was a great trading day. So the markets were been choppy. They've been as higher highs, or they've been as all-time highs, I should say, all-time highs, and a lot of consolidation lately. So it's a lot of consolidation. So I'm going to show you the charts. So as y'all can see, we was on this uptrend. So I took this right here. This is what I took. I got in for the sale right here, made the quick 115, paid for the restocking fee or whatever, and yeah. So we're currently up in this uptrend right now. We're trying to see what price is gonna do. I love looking at the 4 hour because the 4 hour is so clean to me. I feel like it's so much easier to see and pay attention to. We had a little pullback, but it is climbing, as you can see. Gold has been climbing like crazy for the past few weeks, even probably the past month. Probably the past few months. Gold has been on a climb. We are currently at $4,327. I remember when gold was like $3,000 a little while ago, because I had looked it up because I was gonna purchase some. I was gonna buy like an ounce and just have it as an asset to hold. And I looked like, man, $3,000. This is before I was like started making any money for real. I was like, man, $3,000, crazy. Now we are already at $4,300, a whole $1,000 increase, which is crazy, a $1,300 increase. So that's the markets. But I took that little position, made the money, and also I made a trade last night. I don't remember where it's at. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because it was an easing session, but it was quick. It was really quick. Made $117 then. This morning made another I made $177 last night during easing session. Then I made another $177 during New York session. Then I lost like $300 across my Top Step accounts. Each account, so like 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. Lost like $1,500 on my Top Step. Cause it was kind of choppy, but I wasn't really like locked in. So yeah, there's that. So, but nonetheless, got the computer, got my phone. I'm not making no more purchases, no big purchases for the next year. For the rest of this year and the next year until 2027, I'm just focused on paying off any debt that I have and just stacking money for a rainy day, and just having like, have the luxury of just having money kind of just at your disperse. Like, it's kind of nice not having your bank account at zero, if you know what I mean. Once upon a time, we all been there. Your bank account has been zero, and there's been a time where you've had a bunch of money in your bank account. And right now it's kind of where I'm at, and I love the feeling of it, just to be able to like go and shop and go on a trip or extend my trips or stuff like that. Make sure I got money for when I need it, not necessarily when I want it, but just being able to pay for my needs is so nice. So nonetheless, that's that. Planning on linking up with Adriana. I need to go and do some de-stressing after this whole phone incident. Miami next week. Me and Josh are going to go to the apartments next week for Miami. I still got my iPhone 12, my other iPhone 12 around here somewhere. Oh, it's currently over here. iPhone 12 is over here, my other one. So these are just going to be my backup phones if something ever happened. This one, or at some point I might just get rid of it, or something like that. But I probably just keep it just in case something ever happens, or use them as extra cameras or something. But other than that, nothing too crazy. Tomorrow's Friday. I may or may not trade if I see a position. Then it's the weekend. Then I leave Tuesday to go to Miami. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be in Miami, so that's kind of cool. And then we're just working for the rest of the year. So yeah, man, I'm excited. But I do need to like just sit down for a second. I got some calls to make. I'm gonna upload a video, so I just need to relax, chill. Because like I said, that junk took way too long. Like, I was so frustrated because of all the hoops and hurdles I had to go through. And I had just bought a phone yesterday. literally at 5 o'clock yesterday. I bought a phone. I went in, it was no problem. I come back to upgrade the phone, literally less than like 10 hours or 24 hours, and it was all these problems. But we ain't gonna let us get us down. We're just gonna keep grinding. Grind don't stop till the gasket drop. But it's a beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. The camera is so much cleaner, and I pray to God when I upload this video that it's so much cleaner and clearer, and I will be making more content because now I have space and have a better camera. So I'm really happy about that. So y'all be seeing way more videos from me this year, and that's just reality. That's pretty much it, man. I'm probably just gonna, like, you know, I'm just gotta realign myself, get back locked in, and just, you know, focus. And I just need like a couple of hours, you know, just tone down and get back into the rhythm of things, and then yeah. So I think that's about it. So I might pick up the camera again when me and Adriana go out. Yeah, I might pick up the camera when me and Adriana go out. Just kind of this vibe, and just get the best use of the camera, see what it's working with, and then post this video probably tomorrow. So I finished, made it outside finally. I did a call before I left, and I felt naked because I don't have another phone. So I'm using this phone. I'm kind of just trying to get a feel for it. But I like the camera so far. I'm trying to see how it works in low light and like kind of an atmosphere vibe. So me and Adriana are about to go to a culinary dropout, one of the rooftops that's by us that I kind of like a lot. So it's kind of one of those just, in the neighborhood kind of places that we just go to, because we've been here like 2 or 3 times already. So, but the place is low-key a vibe. So yeah, I'm about to go upstairs and I'm about to give me a deep dish because I need something that tastes like home. And yeah,
let's go to Detroit.
And she told me, let's go to Detroit. I'm okay. Yeah, she told me, let's go to Detroit. I'm okay. But it's such a vibe in here though. Like, it really, I love these stairs. So we about to go to the rooftop where we always usually go and sit. Thank you, appreciate it. So we got our lounge seats per usual. This is where we usually sit at. It's a low-key vibe up here. I like it. I like lounging. Or whatever. Dang, this one is good. Okay. I'm so glad I got this boy and not that other camera. I actually had one camera, now I got 2. And y'all can see the city out that way in the background.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Right? So, go way back. My 12 was so bad. So, Adriana told me don't get the
no more old fashioned. Every time he gets it, it's never good.
It's never good. Yeah, I'm like that with Chick-fil-A.
Yes, oh my gosh, she gets Powerade at Chick-fil-A knowing it's gonna be nasty every single time.
Yeah.
I still get it.
I don't know.
There's a lesson in it.
I'm such a diehard.
There's a lesson in it.
So, yeah, I'm getting pizza. I need that deep dish, and that's what I really want. How you doing, love?
Doing great. How are y'all?
Good.
Good.
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, yeah, whatever you
I
have.
don't know. You know what you want?
No, you didn't give me a second.
All right, everybody, so our food just came. I'm actually excited. It's not as thick as I wanted to, but this is pretty cool. Not too doughy, not too much. Adriana got...
I got a Japanese chicken katsu sandwich and a Caesar salad. It looks so good.
Yeah. I done finished eating. My food was amazing. It was pretty light for it to be a deep dish, and that's kind of what I like. Adriana has a... She has an attitude, but we better get ready to head up out of here. Are you gonna pay this lady? All right, everybody. So we just left the restaurant. Now we currently here at this bowling place that I've passed quite a few times, but I've never been here. So we're gonna come and see what it's about. Should we go in this door or the front door? So it looks kind of cool in there. It looks dark in there. It's cool as fun. Yeah. We've been nice to friends. But it's just like, you ever play pool?
Huh?
You ever play pool?
Yeah. Actually, like, low-key, like, yeah.
Like you get your ass whipped by me? Yeah, alright, cool. Yeah, you gotta tell her, y'all.
You got too much dip on your chip. dip on your chip.
Chicken,
You
crushed.
got too much dip on your chip.
Crushed.
I'm gonna whip him so hard he gonna think I used the phone.
Can we get some service?
No. We're not gonna.
Clearly. But this place a vibe though.
You know what?
Alright y'all, so we got our shoes. We got shoes. So we about to go to lane 8. Are you any good at bowling? Are you any good?
I'm alright. You would think I would be good because I used to work out of bowling alley, but
Oh right, yeah. We in lane 8, she said. Yeah. So we got lane 8. I don't know how to play. And Velcro. I ain't wear Velcro when I was a kid. Yeah.
okay. Okay, Kitcho's first roll of the night. Here we go, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Strong start.
Oh.
I hit one. Don't. It's the way you start. You gotta lead up to it.
You got not.
You gotta lead up to it.
I'm here for it. There's always a second chance. There's always a second chance. Okay.
I'm sorry. What was that? Oh. Okay, he's in the lead right now. But I always say never let him know your next move. So he thinks he's gonna keep winning and he's not. Let's see. What's 1 or 2 pins gonna do? I don't know.
You said what?
So what's 1 or 2 pins gonna do? I don't know.
I'm gonna win though. That's even worry about me, bro.
We're gonna see. I don't think so. I don't even spell lose. W-I-N. Okay, you got your one little spare. Ask him who got the first spare. Ask him who got the first spare. Like, okay, he got his one little one. Find a little.
Alright y'all, so I won the second game as well. I won the second game as well. So we got 23 minutes left to do another game. I'm not gonna lie, my arm is wore out. But we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna go for 3.
Yeah, let's do it.
We're gonna go for 3. I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do. My arm is tired, but it's warmed up at the exact same time. So we're gonna see what we can do. Whoa! Alright everybody, so we just got done bowling. This place is actually pretty decent. It has been around the corner from us for like the longest. And summer's pretty much over. It's almost gonna be cold no time soon. So we probably come back again, honestly, because it's a cool little vibe. Or whatever. Yeah, they got cornhole. They got
Next door, they got pool, they got ping pong, darts.
yeah, it's a lot. And it's literally around the corner in this bowling lounge. So we actually went to eat over there somewhere. We went to eat over there.
Yeah.
And then we just came over here. Yeah. So
Rooftop vibe,
I'm tired.
5 screen.
So this is my first night with the iPhone Pro Max. That air is trash. I don't get it if you're thinking about it. Tomorrow's on Friday, last trading day of the week. Then I'm gone next week. I got calls to do tomorrow. But long before I'm done with this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you on the next banger video. Peace.